There has no perfect family. Kung sinasabi mong family, we are just all human. So lahat tayo may pagkakaiba. We are all different, even that we are connected to each other, and even we are family. Even twin nga, di ba? We are all different. Huwag mong sabihin na anak siya ni ganito, anak siya ni ganito, so magiging ganyan din siya. Yes, some traits are hereditary, and some character are hereditary, but we are building as a children of our parents, we are building our own character, and we are building our own personality. Yung traits lang, like physical traits, ganun, namamana yun. Pero yung ugali, siguro mga nasa, let's say, 30%. Kasi, yung development ng isang tao, naka-base yun sa environment. Kung paano tayo palalakihin or paano siya pinalaki ng parents niya, ng magulang niya, naka-base doon. At hindi mo talaga ma-blame yung parents kung bakit naging ganun yung anak. As a parents, kasi di ba parents na din ako, I'm also a mother of one and I really try my best to communicate with my child. Gusto ko siyang makausap araw-araw. So, I hope you understand why I am always talking to my son. As in, everyday talaga yan. Ayokong hindi ko siya nakakausap because I wanted me to be part of his life kahit nasa malayo ko, and that's a very challenge for me. That's one of the challenges sa aming mga overseas Filipino worker na nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa. Tapos yung mga anak namin, nasa pangangalaga ng aming pamilya. Sobrang mahirap. And ano lang talaga, tatag ng loob lang talaga. And I really understand those parents na nahihirapan pagdating sa parenting method, pagdating sa mga bata. We are all not perfect. Lahat tayo, iba-iba yung parenting method natin. Kaya ikaw, wag na wag mong i-compare ang sarili mo sa ibang tao. Wag mong i-compare ang pagiging mother mo o pagiging mom mo sa iba. Kasi we're all different. So, maswerte ka kasi kasama mo ang anak mo. Ano naman kami? Like for example, katulad ko, nung nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa just to provide the needs of my kid. Diba? So, maswerte ka. I am so happy for you. Pero sana wag naman, diba? Be kind to everyone. Yun lang din naman.